I bought CTA's Wii bowling ball compatible with Wii Sports Resort and Wii Motion Plus for $37 on eBay. The woman they picked to model it on the box is super hot. The box has instructions for how to set up and use your bowling ball for the Wii. The seller claimed it was open box, never used, but I knew deep down inside it would be used. It did, however, come with the unopened finger hole adjusters for people with different finger sizes. As you can see, when we do the close-ups, there are going to be some tiny scratches on the bowling ball itself. The ball itself looks really nice. For every button on the Wii remote, there is an accommodating button on the Wii bowling ball. You must open up the bowling ball via the two latches on the sides. Then, place your Wii remote snugly inside. Then close it. Opening and closing this thing is a pain, due to the 4 notches you have to place the top part inside of into the bottom part. They do make the claim that it helps you with your bowling style on Wii Sports and Wii Sports Resort to bowl better. But the question is, does it really do that? Let's find out now.
Well, that's cool. You got it dry. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Oh, how's that possible?
It's easier than you think. It just takes a minute or two to
Those
get used
finger
to it.
holes are pretty. Well, that's cool. You got it dry.
Yeah, if you throw it,
There you
it
go.
strikes.
That's cool.
I think I like the bowling ball better than the thing. Because I
Grandma,
got strikes with the bowling ball. I ain't getting
Grandma
nothing
didn't
with
like
this.
it because it vibrates and she's not used to.
No. No.
Hey, there she goes again. Gonna beat you, girl, if you want. Pound it in, 3 times.
Final thoughts. The bowling ball looks cool. Is it necessary? No, but it adds an element of realism to your bowling games. I enjoy using it. CTA didn't sell many of these, so they're getting harder to find.